Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you a bit about my system that I follow while trying to do forward testing for my stocks. So I try to trade in on either side of the market. I try to pick up one stock in the bullish segment and one stock in the bearish segment. Now let's start off with the bearish segment. If you want, you can go through the scanner and have a look at what it's doing. Or if you would like, I can create a video showing you the entire process of what I follow. But I guess along the way you will try and understand as to what I am doing. So let's get started. So I will pick up my stocks at 9:15 in the morning. These are the stocks that I get. I've copied this. Let's go to add my stocks. Yeah, okay. My previous day low, previous day high, candle breach. This is a good stock. The second candle that I have, previous day high and previous day low. Same with here. So first I will mark all the previous day high and previous day low candles to identify the today's first candle. How does it look? So now coming back to the stock selection of what we have. So from here, I need to pick up just one stock. I do not need multiple stocks in order to be a successful trader. See, if I'm going to keep my stop loss bare minimum, so the capital that I deploy is 25,000. So if I pick up five stocks, I will be putting in a total of 5,000 each. My loss will still be the same. If I put in into one stock, 25,000, it is the same thing. I don't have to do this. But by keeping it into one stock, what happens is I look at fewer charts. I have fewer emotions that are being triggered. So that is a major reason why I choose a single stock. So now I have marked out the previous day high and low. Now I need to mark out the candle length. I try to avoid a candle that is 3% and it basically the candle has to be not more than 3%. So now if I let's check this candle length 2.36. Okay. Next candle is 1.45. Graphene is 2.6. 3.36. So this is out. 2.91. 3.26. This is out. 2.98%. This is almost 3%, but still less than 3. Falls under a criteria. Next, BSc. 3.55. This is out. Now, from the remaining 5 stocks, which are the stocks that I will select from you. I need just one stock. Let's go and check that out. With a red line above white line, MACD histogram is red, white line below, blue line for RSI. These seems to match. But again, now the reason what I will not select this specific candle is because the candle high and the candle low is equal to the previous day high and previous day low. It's almost as high as the previous day high and it's gone way below the previous day low. So I will ignore this candle. Let's check this one. This is the same case. This one is good. This is, I'll remove this. 2.89%. So both of them are good. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's take Varun Beverages as today's indicator. These are the I've shortlisted these two stocks. Okay, our entry will depend on the next candle. So now let's, before we go about and test it, let's do the same thing for the bullish trades. It's my bullish breakout. 9:15. Copy my symbols. And add it. See it. 9:15 candle of the previous day. This is the low. This is the high. Same thing in here. My low, my high. So Mercury is the high, this is the low. Jubilant Foods is this is the high. The high, this is the low. This is high, and this is the low. Okay, this is the low. This is the high. Okay. Now we need to identify the candle whether it is 3% or greater. Point good. One 1.86 good. Okay. I wouldn't take this stock is because of the gap up that it has. So I will ignore this. I candle is 5.52. This is out. 1.9. 2.26. And PWL is 5.4. So this is also out. So now from these four stocks, I need to shortlist a couple of them. This seems good. Coforge seems. Sorry about that. Coforge seems good. Okay. Our shortlisted stocks. We will take an entry as soon as the candle low, the first candle low is breached. Okay. For either graphene or for Varun beverages, whichever one comes first. For the gainers, for the bullish trade, the same case. As soon as I any of the first candle is breached, we will take an entry. Okay. So now let's move to the next candle. Awesome. Now let's take graphene. Graphite India. It has crossed, right? Let's take Varun Beverages. Varun Beverages has also crossed. But since graphene was our first, we will pick graphene. We will delete Varun Beverages. Let's check the bullish trades. C8 has crossed. Coforge has not crossed. Sundaram Finance has not crossed. And Gland Pharma has crossed. Since we have C8, we will delete the rest. Now we have taken an entry in these two. Okay. So my entry is going to be right here. I will keep my previous candle low as my stop loss, and I will take a 1:1 trade. My day ends at 2:45 at the latest. And let's take Graphene India, Graphite India. Let's take a short trade. I will keep previous candle, take a one trade. My max trade is at 245. 245. Okay. And now let's see how the trade goes for the day. Okay. So now for Graphite India, our entry was at 606.60. Our exit was at 6:45 open time. Or we can take 6:45 close. But whatever is it, it should not matter. Let's say we take at 6:45 sharp candle. Okay. This is our exit. For C8, it is the same thing. Awesome. So in here, we already hit a 1:1 candle at 1:30. So we all made a 1:1 and we are out. So now let's record this entry. Let me create a new I will start off with a balance of initial bet is 1 lakh, and I want to hit a goal of 1 lakh, let's say 2 lakhs. I want to double my money. Okay. So if anybody wants this trading journal, do let me know. I will share this journal with y'all as well. It's a free journal. So my entry is at Graphite India. I took a trade today. Graphite India was a sell trade. I took an entry at 606.60 and I exited at 602. 6.20, 60 and exited at 602. And how much did I risk? 622.95. 5. My trade is closed. Update. YouTube intraday. Okay. So before you understand how did I calculate my profit, here quantity 206. Why was 206 how was 206 calculated? It was taken as 25,000 invested in the stock and my multi divided by my entry divided by 5. Now let me take the second chart. That was C8 Limited. Let me add C8 Limited again. My trade was done today. I took a buy trade. My entry price was 3,885.90. 3,885.90. My risk was 3,806.15. 3,806.15. And my exit was at 3,967.70. 3,967.70. And this entry was closed. So, if you see, today we made a total profit of 1,364, risking a capital of 50,000. We risked 4,112 and we made a profit of 3,300 and change. So wasn't this a good trade?